Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Honor X7, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the heads up feature. So this is a very useful feature. It will stop you from being distracted whilst you're walking. So how it works is, if you're one of those phone users who likes to have your head down in the phone and you're not paying attention to what's going on around you, this feature, once it's enabled, it will prompt you to stop staring at the phone whilst you're walking, saving you from maybe getting hit by a car or something like that. So yeah, this is definitely a feature to turn on. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to enable it. So just pull down the notifications and go into settings, and then scroll down to where it says digital well-being and parent controls, and then scroll down and you will see heads up. Tap to set up. So select it, and as you can see, got a little demo there. There's a woman with a shopping bag walking, looking into the phone. She's got her head down in the phone. She's not paying attention to what's going on. And once again, it explains, watch your step with heads up. If you're walking while using your phone, get a reminder to focus on what's around you. Use with caution. Heads up doesn't replace paying attention. So it's always best to pay attention. However, if for some reason you're just not paying attention, you will get the alert to pay attention. So go ahead and hit next. Heads up needs to send you notifications and know when you're walking outside. So put on your location, select while using the app, and location permissions, allow all the time. Okay, so heads up is ready to go. You'll get a reminder if you use the phone while you're walking. Just go ahead and select done, and that's it. Heads up is all set up. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.